Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how can you convert picture into Ghibli style. So I will be using an AI tool here which is ChatGPT. You can use your own AI tool if you want. For me, I want to use this one because I think this one is easier. So what you're going to do is you have to create an account on your ChatGPT here. Once you have your account, then go to this text box and just follow this prompt. You can use your own prompt or you can also use this one like, can you convert this image into a Ghibli style image? Or can you convert this photo into a Ghibli style photo? Everything is up to you. Once you're done, then you should look for this plus icon right here where you can upload a photo from your computer or from your device. So I'm going to tap this plus icon. I'm going to upload that picture or photo or image. And this is the image that I want to convert into a Ghibli style image. Once done, then tap on this arrow facing up or press enter. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So it may take a few minutes. And then once you're done, and then ChatGPT will show you the result of that Ghibli style. And here it is. And that's how easy it is to convert image to a Ghibli style image. Then if you want to download this one, just double click and you should see the download option. And then you can go to downloads, tap this picture, and here is the result. And that's how easy it is to convert picture into Ghibli style. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.